feelers, welcome to episode 129 of Feelings Explained. So, feelers, before you guys forget, and at this point, kailangan siguro, ano na to ano yun yung parang naka-record na.
Oo.
Follow us on all our social medias on TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram. That's Feelings XPLAINED.
Oh my God, you thought of that?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
I'm a smart girl today.
She learned how to spell for today's episode.
I
Charing.
know.
Kinder. Yes, and of course, guys, syempre si Pat may kodigo siya. Ako wala. Kasi hindi ko memorize ang aming bank account. Pero Union Bank yan. And wag na kayong mahiya at kami ay tumatanggap ng pabuya.
Tumatanggap po kami ng cash donations. Kung kailangan po namin sumayaw, kumanta,
Opo, sabihin
let us
nila po,
know.
magla-live po kami with, with all your requests. Wow. Kung wala naman po talaga tayong maibibigay, may aabot at may ipapasok.
Papasok!
Maaari nyo naman po kaming tulungan sa pamamagitan ng pag-click ng bell button so that you will be notified for our next episodes, and of course, share our stories, our posts, everything. Alam nyo na yan.
I have a small win for
Oh.
today. So,
Oh.
ang small win ko ay alam mo yung nakapagpahinga ka?
Yes.
Nakatulog ako
Okay.
sa isang food court and I'm so happy.
Wow.
Yeah,
Which
like-
food court? Megamall?
Hindi naman. Actually, it's an office food court.
Okay.
Sa Enterprise.
Oh, okay.
Yung mezzanine nila doon. So, may food court doon. Tapos parang habang nagpapatay ng oras at hindi ko naman magawa yung mga gusto kong gawin
Correct.
dahil nga illegal sa streets of Makati ang vaping.
Oh, yes. We are
And
clean,
smoking.
a clean city here.
Yeah. Walang malapit na area where I
Oo.
could legally do. Alam mo, hindi ba, legal naman siya. Para namang
Illegal.
Oo.
Pagdodroga na ba
Para
yan?
naman droga naman. Siguro yung hindi lang ako mafa-fine.
Oo,
Yung-
correct.
Walang area na ako hindi ma-fine. So, ginawa ko, tinulog ko na lang siya. Tinulog
Bongga
festival.
naman, no?
Oo. Tapos
I love
ginising
that.
ako ng office mate ko. Sabi niya,
Buti may
Hoy.
kasama ka?
oo, sabi niya, hoy, umalis na yung isa nating kasama. Sabi niya, ikaw na oras ka alis. Sabi ko, mga 5 minutes, alis na ako.
Gets.
yun.
Okay.
Ikaw?
Ako naman, meron din akong win. Kasi yung win ko ay shout out sa isang feeler natin dyan. So I got this amazing hard drive, Pat. And I've never had a hard drive in my life.
Congratulations, sis.
Totoo talaga. Kasi nga, di ba, mahal din yun. Tapos parang, feeling ko kasi hindi siya worth it sa akin that time. Kasi nga, kaya pa nung laptop ko
Right.
mag-store ng mga, documents and
Right.
photos. Pero ngayon na, dumadami na talaga siya. And of course, nag-video na tayo. Parang kumbaga, kailangan na talaga ng support. And thankfully, na-figure out ko kung paano i-reformat yung hard drive bilang hindi nga ako marunong.
Yeah.
Tapos, madami pa na siyang complexities. And so, wow.
Wow. Complexities? Oh my God. We have an IT here.
So, biglang nag-magic na lang. Ang galing talaga ni Lord. Sabi niya, sige, patutulugin kita ng mahimbing. Pagaganahin
Siya ang
natin
naging
yung hard
IT
drive.
mo.
Correct. Tumingin ako sa moon and like, oh, it's working now. Thank you so much to Eri who gave me the hard drive. Nakita niya ata yung tweet ko, kaya Twitter is my savior talaga.
X, you mean X?
X, oh yeah, whatever that is.
Yeah, whatever that is. Ew.
Ew. Thank you so much. Yun lang naman.
This show is brought to you by Pat and Gian's Blood, Sweat, and Tears.
So ready for this episode.
Me too. I think it's a long time coming.
Oo, correct.
It's a long time coming dahil sa 29 years na tayong buhay. At sabihin na natin, starting 18, almost 11 years.
Aha.
Sabihin natin, to be safe na lang.
Mm-mm.
11 years na paghahanap ng taong makakasama natin sa panghabang buhay, hindi pa nangyayari na na-meet namin sila dahil itong mga putang inang tao ito, itong mga nami-meet namin, bakit kayo ganito?
Kay basura.
Bakit kayo basura? O kaya kung
Correct.
hindi man kayo basura, bakit bakit parang gano'n na lang kadali sa inyo yung mga bagay-bagay? Kalimutan kami, umalis dito na parang walang nangyari?
Correct.
What's happening? Talk
Mm.
to us.
Yes. So, what is the episode?
The episode is all about that. The episode is actually the dating cesspool of our 20s or
Yes.
in our life, basically.
Oo. And siguro parang, how has it been for us? For
yeah.
the 20-somethings like us. Bakit parang, wait lang bigla ko lang naisip na, bakit parang ang dami natin problema? I mean, like, bakit parang problema na nga tayo sa career, problema na tayo sa pera, ngayon problema din tayo sa partner.
Mga kasama.
Ba natin?
Alam mo naman, kawawang-kawawa tayo. No? Alam mo naman, hindi nakakakain. Hindi nakakasweldo.
Girl.
Pero kasi,
Pero gets mo, yung parang,
yeah.
parang, bakit nga no? Pero, okay, ito lang, nagpapakatotoo lang po kami. Hindi naman kami talaga masyadong heartthrob, gano'n.
Oo, hindi naman kami Ann Curtis na hinahabol na lang sa ano. Di ba?
Oh, exactly. Yeah.
But I feel like, it's not exactly like, and I know, alam mo naman din to. It's not exactly like a big quote-unquote problem, but it's just one of those things na it just takes you.
Oo, correct.
Yeah. Na parang, tayo na naman, ito na nga lang enjoyment ko, di ba?
Ito, simple na lang. Simplihan natin para baby steps natin yung meat of the shit. Is that, like, nakapag-date ka na ba in the last 5 years? Did you have a date? Tinan mo?
Dito na po nagtatapat ng
No. Kasi cesspool, di ba? Cesspool of men and... So, ibig sabihin, may pinagpipilian tayo dyan.
Ako, ang pinagpipilian ko ay nasa dating apps. Ikaw.
Okay. Ako, nasa kanto. Ako, whoever that is.
Whoever that is.
Hindi, joke lang.
I mean, the thing about, what I love about the 20th century dating scene, or 21st century dating scene, is that, everything is accessible. So,
correct.
It doesn't matter if you meet the person online, if you meet them sa kanto, if you meet them at a bar.
Yes.
Alam mo yon, if you meet them at a concert.
Anything is possible.
Anything is possible with just like a touch of your hand.
Oh! Yes, correct.
Yeah. But siguro, ako lang din kasi ang issue ko, siguro, it's just a string of bad luck.
Okay.
It's just a string of bad luck in terms of, matches. Kasi ako, wala naman ako, I'm not the type of person who would, meet someone at a bar. Siguro meron naman ako may meet, but I'm not the type of person who would go home on the first night.
Okay.
Oo. I'm not also the type of person na parang, kaya ako nga natutuwa ako sa'yo kasi you have that sense of adventure with before sunrise,
sunset,
before, yes,
and midnight. I love that.
You have
so
that sense
much.
of adventure kasi ako, I feel like I will overthink it so much na parang baka mamaya patayin ako nito. Alam mo yung ganon?
Exactly. I mean, that's very valid.
That's
pero
very valid.
I'm very lucky lang din. At salamat sa kanila, hindi nila ako pinatay.
Yeah, and salamat sa friend mo din.
Sa friends ko, yes.
Kinilatis talaga niya yung kailangan.
In fairness to them.
Yeah, but siguro yun lang din yung the frustration of it all.
So, parang you're saying na, with your experience, hindi naman talaga ganon ka, kumbaga, ano ba?
It's not exactly deep. Kung pag-uusapan natin kung 5 years from now, di pag-usapan na lang natin kung ilan yung buhok na meron ako kasi mas madami yun.
Hindi naman sa 5 years from now.
5 years ago. I mean, ganon.
Okay, so for you, if you would rate it, it's very frustrating.
Yeah, it's very frustrating.
Like, what the fuck? Why?
Oo.
Gets.
Ikaw ba?
Actually, kasi tinatamad talaga. Yun talaga yung totoong sagot dito na tinatamad ako. Ayoko mag-effort.
Yeah.
Parang, di ba, yun nandun ako sa pa-princess nga ako, di ba? Yung feeling ko na, ako si Anna to.
Ikaw yung the Princess of Genovia.
Hindi naman talaga ako yung tipo ng nagpa-pursue. Hindi talaga eh. Kasi nga, girly nga ako, di ba? Parang, ano ba? Gusto ko ako yung hinahabol, ganun.
Yeah.
Pero I can be very emotionally and mentally attached. Alam mo yan?
Yeah.
Parang,
yeah.
Girl, nakabuo ako ng buhay.
Anong pangarap? May bahay at lupa na sa California. with 3 kids and 2 dogs.
With a lot. And I mean, totoo yan. As in, nasend ko na. Walang lalaki, pero wow, buong-buo na yung buhay.
Sis, I feel you. Nararamdaman kita sa ganong
Diba? Sa ganong level ng pagmamahal. Well, ganon ako, very extreme na parang, okay, parang ganon, may face talaga ako, may whole face ako, may,
Yeah.
ngayon, I'm in my homebody face na parang, ayoko lumabas, ganon.
Right.
Pero interesting pero kasi I also love being spontaneous na parang, hindi kailangan ng script. Parang ganon.
Yeah.
Oo, hindi kailangan planado lahat. Ayun yung maganda kasi eh.
And that's the thing about dating, na it's supposed to be spontaneous, it's supposed to be
Yeah.
fun, it's supposed to be,
I know.
you know, it's a getting to know, it's a
Correct.
flirty type of
I
thing.
know.
But the thing is, yung pagiging flirty kasi ng mga tao ngayon is like, I mean, hindi naman flirty. Or siguro lang yung, normally lang yung mga napupunta sa akin ay parang hindi talaga pasok sa banga.
Oo, walang
Tapos,
intention of being
Walang intention of being,
maayos.
Tapos pang sa akin naman, I know I'm not looking for, I don't know what I'm looking for, but I sure as said, I'm not looking for a hookup. Sure ako doon.
Okay.
But, if it, parang nga sa akin, if it leads to something serious, then it's fine. If it doesn't lead to anything serious, it's fine. Ang problema din kasi, they're so, my God, this is one of my pet peeves. They are so mind-numbingly boring.
Oh, that's,
Tapos,
hindi
yung
ko
parang,
kaya.
yeah, yung parang, yung conversation, ikaw lang yung nagtatry yung i-keep yung conversation. Tapos, they always end up with one-word answers, and this is for mostly guys.
Oo.
Na parang,
Paano tayo lalaban dito?
So,
Ganon.
pag nagkita tayo sa, pag kumain tayo, anong gawin? Mag-cellphone ka lang?
Oo, gets.
Di ba?
Nag-chat pa tayo, oo.
Exactly. Ako, I'm not also a big texter. You know this.
Oh, yeah.
I'm not a big texter. But I will make an effort to connect with you.
Correct.
Diba? Yun lang naman eh. Why is it so hard?
Oh, take notes. Epal nyo kasi.
Ikaw ba? What are your pet peeves when based on your dating life so far? Yeah.
Ako yung ito talaga, yung parang nakaka-shock na gusto agad magkita. Yung as in I wanna see you agad. Yung wow!
Gets.
Tatay kita agad.
Sunduin kita ngayon na sangka.
Grabe, di ba? Parang, anong kasundo ko? Girl, may ganun. Hindi, naalala ko lang kasi hindi man recently, a few months ago, parang I tried ulit, ganun. Parang yung friend ko kasi, nagkaroon kami ng date, dalawa. Hindi siya, as in like, girl date. Na parang, kinikwento ko sa kanya na, I'm so frustrated with how my dating life is going because it's not really happening. Like, there's no dating life to begin with. Hanggang sabi niya, sige, try mo lang. So, parang na-inspire ko dun sa night out namin na, sige nga, try ko nga lang ulit. Tapos, the next day, download ako agad, ganyan. And then, biglang to si kuya, sabi niya, kasi diba sa apps, parang, yung, parang 2 kilometers away, makikita mo yung distance.
Right,
So, ngayon, si kuyang isa, na parang excited naman, parang, alam mo yung nagtatanong, nag-start pala ako ng conversation, ang sinabi niya na agad was, you know what, we should talk about it parang in person. Paano tayo kung hindi tayo connect in person, tas wala man lang tayong foundation? Alam mo yun, kahit na one day lang man, di ba?
Yeah. Okay, sana may one day, pero kung agad-agad.
Oo.
But I get then.
Pero wait lang, medyo hypocrite ako doon kasi kaya kong umuwi. Gusto mo bang umuwi with me? Di sama ka sa akin.
Let's go!
Let's go! Pagluluto pa kita ng hotdog, gano'n.
Pagluto ko ng kanin.
Oo, di ba? It's such a hypocrite thing to say on my end because of my experiences, but you know what I'm saying?
Yeah. I get it.
Yeah. Yun yung ayoko.
So far. Ako nagigets kita dun sa yung sa biglaan na lang na mag-meet.
Oo. Pwedeng wait lang.
May ganyan ako before na experience sa Bumble na itong guy na to, obviously, sinabi ko na sa kanya na, I'm not looking for a hookup. If you want to meet up, sige, just let me know. Busy lang talaga. And then this guy says, bakit? Busy ka ba ngayon? Pwede naman tayo ngayon eh. Taka na parang 10 o'clock na, 11 o'clock na ng gabi.
Kasi gusto talaga
Tas
nila
gusto
yun.
niya.
Yun talaga yun.
Tapos alam ko na kung saan papunta yun.
Oo.
Alam ko na, sabi ko sa kanya, hindi kasi ako, I'm not that type of girl.
Oo.
Tapos sabi ko,
so
nag-joke ako
sinasabi
sa
mo
kanya.
naman.
Okay. Very upfront ako, hindi na para pahabain natin yung usapan natin.
Oo.
Hindi na.
Oo.
Basta, na-meet mo tong checklist na to. Sige, game.
Question, naka-update ba yung bio mo? Ano yung nakalagay sa bio mo?
No hookups.
Oh, you explicitly say it
Yes.
then and there. Okay.
Oo, tapos may mga pasaway lang din talaga. Siguro lang
Yung
din.
hindi kasi nagbabasa,
Mga
mga
hindi nagbabasa. Oo, tapos kahit cute, tapos nakalagay sila doon na hookups only. O, sige, bye.
Oo.
Oo.
Talagang naka-filter na.
Hindi, I mean yung yung sa bio nila.
Oo nga,
Yeah.
yung filter na yung...
Inaano ko na,
Ina-ex mo na,
Ina-ex
X
ko
na.
tapos itong guy na to, kasi nga, sinabi ko na nga sa kanyang ganon, na sabi niya, hindi, sige, ano lang natin, parang let's just get to know each other. Dahil alam ko na nga na ganun nga yung papunta, sabi ko sa kanya, again, hindi nga, I mean, hindi ako comfortable sa ganon. At least buy me dinner first. Yun ang sabi ko sa kanya.
Okay.
As ang sabi niya, pwede naman tayo mag-drive-thru sa McDo. Putang ina mo! I mean, hindi naman ako galit sa McDo. Sa laki ko to, alam niyo naman kumakain ako ng McDo. Pero tangina, Diyos ko, makikita mo ako, tapos McDo lang. Hindi ka man lang nag-effort, kahit man lang chowking, mas mahal ng konti. Maxes, diba? Exactly. At saan bibigay mo sa akin? Hindi pala Yumburger. Burger McDo, tangina. Tapos iced coffee. Ano yun? Oh my God.
Oh my God. That's painful.
Those fuckboys. I know.
That's so painful.
That is so painful. Kaya, so alam mo na kung saan nanggagaling yung level ko na parang, pigilan nyo ako sa punutak ko kayong lahat.
Parang ba't naman ganito nyo lang ako tingnan, gano'n?
Oo, di ba?
Ay.
Tangina ko, hindi ako fetish. Ano ko? Parausan.
Sis, ako nga. Diyan nga. Huwag na tayo magsimula. Nakakahiya sa feelers.
Hanggang doon na lang tayo.
Hanggang doon na lang po muna tayo.
Okay.
Hanggang, kung gusto nyo malaman, bayaran nyo kami.
Ano po yan? Exclusive content. Kaya, nandun yung bank account namin.
Ako naman, gusto kong i-share ito ay isang worst dating experience ever. So, after having the time of my life with my before sunset and my before sunrise, hindi naman ito magkakasunod-sunod ng OA, hindi naman masyado. Yeah. Pero kumbaga, after that high was this very low, like this disgusting guy. I'm so sorry kung I'm putting hate on this guy, pero he's the epitome of yuck talaga. Like, I'm sorry, pero when I remember that night. So, ito yun. Kasi ano ko din naman, parang siguro my fault in a way. Siguro kasi I was just game to go out na parang sige nga, tingnan na natin. End of the year, tingnan natin kung may something, ganyan. So, ito yung isa sa mga hindi naman petty date kasi never ko pa naman siya nakilala, na-meet. Wala pa namang akong ikaka-petty. It's more of like, sige na nga. Alam mo yun, yung parang ganon. Kasi merong, yay, sige, oh my God, I'm so excited dun sa mga lang. So, parang siya yung he falls under the, sige na nga, try natin. Why not? Wala mawawala. Kasi parang, ang perspective ko nun, trinay mo nga dun sa mga super strangers abroad. So, parang, what's the harm in trying here in the Philippines? So, I'm like, okay, swipe, blah, blah, blah. Maayos naman. And I know we have one common friend sa IG ata. 1 or 2 common friends. So, parang feeling ko, ay, okay siguro to kasi yung kakilala kong maayos naman. So, diba, parang i-relate mo na okay. Tapos, dun pa talaga sumemplang na parang, unang-una, he did not wear his best that night. Na parang, diba, pagka first time mo mag-meet, parang mag-expect ka naman na medyo nag-effort ka, medyo naligo-ligo ka ng konti. Hindi ko sure, feeling ko naman naligo siya, pero kasi, yung suot niya is, alam mo yung mga, tanda mo ba yung best friend ni Lizzie McGuire?
Si Gordon, yes.
Si Gordon na parang
love interest.
Naka-shorts lang, cargo shorts siya, tas cute si Gordon ha, like okay yun, fit yun sa style niya. Si kuya, 30 anyos na. Sis, nakaganon pa din. Tapos,
Wait, so he's wearing cargo shorts
yeah,
and then...
I believe he was in cargo shorts and then, what do you call that? Long sleeves?
Yeah.
Na very lousy, na parang, kasi pwede namang mag-long sleeves talaga, pero lousy eh. Gordon nga.
It's not giving.
It's not giving
It's not giving effort. Talaga.
nothing talaga. Parang, so, as in 3 minutes into the whole first interaction sa car, parang, ayoko na agad. Gusto ko na talaga, as in, like, akit na lang ako, ganun, tangin na. Ayoko na talaga. Tapos, it was so boring. Yung sinasabi mong,
Oo. Yung parang
Crazy boring. walang
kahit
mangyayari.
ano, oo.
Walang spark, walang kahit na ano. I wanted to melt. Kasi, hindi naman ako yung, but you know what, this is not working, I don't want to be here anymore. Hindi naman ako ganon.
Oo.
Sinundo pa niya ako.
Oo.
So like, di ba, parang grabe namang disrespect. So parang, it was so Tapos, dinala pa niya ako sa isang place na parang, maayos naman, pero it's not also very, very nice. But he keeps on saying na mayaman siya. As in, ganon, yung parang, madami siyang
he's
property.
a bragging emirate.
Madami
guy.
siyang property, mayaman siya, like, he collects this and that, he's a collector and shit. Oh my God, like, cringe. I don't know how he's gonna survive life right now.
Yeah.
But sinabi niya kasi na, alam mo, sanay naman ako dito eh. In English naman. Sabi niya, alam mo, sanay naman ako dito yung parang, you know, there are some girls talaga doesn't like me, pero it's okay. Ganon, yung parang very condescending na siya sa sarili niya. So, bigla ko na-realize na, parang after that date, that horrible date, doon ko kaya pala yung sinasabi, kasi yun talaga yung totoo na, as in, he's so annoyingly disgusting.
Alam mo, what he's doing is like, you know, like the prophesizing type of thing na, well, kaya naman kasi talaga, dahil
ganyan ka.
pinapakita mo, di ba lamang sa malamang magkakatotoo.
Totoo nga talaga. At saka,
Diyos ko,
in fairness
Lord.
naman sa honesty niya, pero, nakaka-turn off na parang, bakit mo nilalatag lahat? Iba eh, the way that he delivered it, the way that he said it, the stories that he said, parang, like, not interested at all. So, di ko talaga bet. So, dahil doon, medyo na-traumatize ako, parang ayoko na mag-date locally. Parang, ang arte, di ba? Akala mo naman, worldwide, global. Akala mo naman, global pop group si ate girl. Wala naman may balak sa kanya.
Hindi mo pa nga na-try si Buano.
Sis, hindi ko sure.
Have you ever felt this? Like, you will see a couple na you've known for a long time and then you will think na, bakit siya kaya naman niya?
Oo nga.
Paano niya nakuha yan? Parang, di ba? Napapaisip ka na oo, parang, she has everything. So, saan ba ako magsa-sign up para makuha ko din yung everything?
Exactly.
Di ba?
Or have at least a piece of that.
A piece, yes. Parang, I also want that kind of happiness, kahit sabihin natin na either konti man, maliit man yung time. I mean, of course, as much as possible, pag nag-date ka, you want na magtagal kayo, di ba?
Oo.
Pero Diyos ko naman. Lord, ang hinihingi lang naman namin, Travis.
Sobrang ano ba ng standards ko to, parang sobrang iba ng standards ko for me not to really get it, to get anybody, or like, yeah, I don't know. And then, the thing is, when I met this freaking perfect person, our timelines are not aligning. Alam mo yun? Yung parang, naloka ko kasi nga, edi ang pangit ng experience na yun, as in like, yakadire. As in, sinusumpa ko na talaga makapag-date dito sa Pilipinas. Like, oh my God, no. Pero, eventually, I don't know, ang tagal na rin naman. Parang siguro 1 year, almost a year passed, siguro mga 9-8 months. Doon, I kind of like met somebody, and then, okay naman siya. Parang kumbaga, ni-reverse niya na naman yung gusto ko kasi, oh my God, he's so fucking perfect for me. Like,
yeah. I think, nakabuo ka na ng bahay sa California.
kahit taga-Pilipinas naman
Kahit taga-Pilipinas lang siya.
California talaga na buo.
Ano feeling ng mga may jowang masayang-masaya? Parang, I feel like I'm better than everyone.
Yeah, I don't know.
Tingin mo ba?
No,
ganun?
I think they're caught up in a bubble. Because I was like that when I was happy with
Dating,
somebody.
yeah,
diba?
yeah.
Parang, I was so, like, happy lang ako. Like, iba rin naman talaga yung joy na, wow, joy. Hindi ko sinasabi yung person na yon, but like, sinasabi ko yung
the feeling,
experience.
yes,
Yeah.
the dopamine.
Oo, na nabibigay nung experience talaga. I
Right.
don't know. Pero I never really thought of, parang never ko siyang in-overthink nung I was into it.
Right.
Hindi, I mean like, hindi ko in-overthink yung dating per se. Parang, in-overthink ko yung mangyayari sa amin,
Yeah.
pero yung experience ng dating, yun yung parang, ito pa, hindi mo naman ipipinpoint na, ito na pala yun, ang dating na, yung parang,
Gets.
diba? Pero ngayon kasi parang, dahil wala tayo ulit dun sa space na yun, parang, ang layo niya, parang masyado siyang not
Yeah.
so achievable. I don't know.
Right. Since we're already here sa dating life natin, how about we broaden our horizons?
Ma-insert
Ma-insert lang.
Oo.
Yung mga nami-meet naman din natin is nakakasalamuha naman talaga din natin at hindi lang yung parang biglaan na lang sumulpot sa buhay natin. But was there a time that you had like a reconnection to these people or like parang you had like a sort of will they won't they sort of type of relationship or anything?
Oo. Well, to answer that, parang hindi siya reconnection. Parang lahat nung na-experience ko na whatever was situationships.
Yeah.
Ish. Well, I don't even consider it a situationship. I think there was something there, but we really cannot be something.
Yeah.
Na mismo yung, I don't want to reconnect. Parang, there's no point. Parang, why? What? But, ang pattern with everybody, not just with the dating people that I've hooked up with, whatever, etc., they always have a way of coming back. And that is for another episode. But they will come back! They will never let me have my peace!
Pag hindi mo sila inapakan, babalik sila!
As in, the campaign for coming back, I should be the poster girl.
Yes.
I cannot with the comebacks. Like literally that, almost dead in my imagination,
Yeah.
has resurrected.
Jesus ka, boy.
Jesus siya! Ganun talaga. Wild,
Diyos ko.
wild. So, hindi siya reconnection, but there's like a tap in the back that says,
Oo.
hey girl!
Hey, I'm back!
Did you miss me? Because I missed you. Ganon. Na
My
parang ako,
God.
oh my God, can we not do this again? Ganon.
I understand. Ako, may ganyan ako, pero ano
Mm.
siya, it's more of, I feel like ako yung naging coming back from the dead.
Talaga?
Oo, na hindi ko sinasadya.
Okay.
At ang awkward pa dito ay client siya.
Oh my God.
So I was talking to this person.
Uh-huh.
I was talking to this person on the phone and then sabi niya, "Wait, your name's Patricia Berin?" Tapos sabi ko, "Yes, my name's Patricia." Tapos sabi niya, "Have we met before?"
Oh, wow.
Tapos tsaka ko naalala yung name niya. Na
So,
na
sa dating apps lang.
Oo, we were talking. And then
Oh, no.
me being a bad girl.
Bad girl. Okay.
Yeah, because I
Yes.
ghosted her ass.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh no.
See, I'm not
You're
a
a
role
bitch.
model. I'm a bitch.
You know what? Aquarius people,
We're a
some
bitch.
fuckers.
If
Yeah.
we're not ghosting people, we're flaking out on people.
Yeah.
Right?
I know fucking Aquarius people and they do that a lot.
Mas madalas ang flaking out.
Okay.
Ano
Oo.
naman,
Oo.
in general terms, mas talo din sa akin,
Oo.
flaking out. So parang naging, or kung hindi flaking out, more on petering out yung...
Okay. Ano yung petering out?
So parang hinahayaan mo nang
Fade
down,
away.
mag-downslide yung
Ah.
relationship. Parang, sige.
Oh, I get that now.
Ganon.
Yeah. Okay.
So imagine my
Oh my God.
my feelings
Ilang
during
years
that time.
after nangyari?
Sis, parang 6 months yata.
Hindi pa matagal.
Fresh pa.
Oh, no.
Fresh pa. So parang ako,
Gano'n ba kayo katagal nag-uusap?
buwan pa nga lang eh.
Oo.
Parang hindi pang umabot ng 2
At saka
months.
kumbaga wala namang intention of being in a relationship. More of like,
More of
getting to know,
getting to know.
ganon.
Oo. Tsaka parang ako ako naman din, wala naman din ako yung type na parang, uy, sige, let's be together na. Walang ganon. Walang ganong conversation
Oo.
with this person. But, siguro so yun, nagulat niya siya. Sabi niya, is this Patricia Berins? Parang ako, na-realize ko na kung sino siya. So, syempre, ang save face ko na lang dahil kailangan ko siya. Kailangan ko siya. Sabi ko, ma'am, I don't think we've met before.
In person to?
On the
Or sa-
phone.
Oh! Oh!
I'm not sure. Tapos, the good thing is, and I remember, inaalala ko talaga habang kausap ko siya, yung, alam mo yung utak mo, tumatakbo sa utak mo na, nag-usap na ba kami sa phone? Nag-usap na ba kami? Tapos naalala ko, never pa kami nagkaroon ng phone conversation, which is, I'm so happy.
Okay.
But
So, by
yeah.
the name lang talaga nagkakilanlan.
By the name, and it was super familiar. It's like, I know this person. I know this. Ganon.
No.
So, ako yung naging comeback sa buhay
Oh,
niya.
no.
Ako yung, hey, I'm alive!
Oo, kasi ang kapal din naman mukha mo. Ba't mo naman siya ginost? Wala lang. Nawala ka lang ng interest? Or...
Hindi siguro ito, ako aminin ko, I'm a coward for not saying na, hey, I think hindi nag-work out to. Yung energy mo and my energy don't match.
Oh.
And
Oh my God.
andun din ako sa parang, siguro yung wavelength namin ay hindi siya
talaga.
hindi siya pasok.
Oo.
Kaya ako nafe-feel na ganun kasi parang, and this is gonna sound so bad. And I'm sorry, but I am being honest here.
Go!
It feels like a chore.
Oh,
Right?
so
And,
sad.
'di ba? And she deserves someone na kakausapin siya at hindi feeling ay chore replyan.
Oo,
'Di ba? Yung parang
correct,
tayo
oo.
magre-reply na naman ako. 'Di ba? Yung tipong
Oo, na
pag may
willingness talaga.
Oo, at saka yung tipong pag nag-text na, "Hey, nasa office ka na?"
Oo.
Tapos ikaw ang reply mo, "Yeah." Alam mo
Tas wala na, di mo
yung
na
normal
babalik.
lang.
Oo.
Ako nga tinetext siya sa akin nang nasa office ka na, mare-replyan ko na siya, nasa bahay na ako eh.
Oh no.
'Di ba? Yung parang
Wala talagang interest.
wala
at all,
talaga, as in
yeah.
yung parang, ang nangyayari parang out of sight, out of mind.
Alam mo, yan yung iniisip ko na parang, oh my God, what if the guy that I wanted or whoever, kung sino man sila, ganyan yung mga thoughts na parang, ano ba naman to? Ayoko naman sa kanya. Bakit? Kasi wala, di ba parang, tama ka naman eh. You're a coward for not saying, pero kasi you also kind of like, I'm conscious na, fuck, pag sinabi ko to, grabe naman, di ba, ang harsh, pakinggan. Parang,
Yeah.
let's just soften the blow, let's just like, peter it out,
yeah.
di ba? Which is like, I'm afraid now that that is the situation with some people that I
Siguro.
like. I don't know. Pero kasi nga, I don't also try.
Yeah.
That's why I don't try. Because like, I don't want to.
I do not want this feeling anymore.
I don't want to feel rejected na parang, fuck. Unless siguro nandun ako sa mood na, sige, I'm gonna be bold enough to put myself out there.
Yeah.
Pwede kasi nandun ako sa headspace na yun. Pero kasi, lately, in the past few years, I haven't been in that headspace na parang, I'm game to like, make taya.
Yeah. Ako siguro,
Pero kung tatayaan niya ako ngayon na, sasama ko sa kanya. Hindi mo na ako kailangang itanong. Sasama na ako.
yung iniisip mong tao.
Oo.
At yun po ay si Regular Age.
Pero yeah, oh my God. Wow,
Yeah.
I miss him so. Oh, okay. Ano yun?
So, hindi nyo lang talaga alam, Gian is in a secret relationship. The problem is, siya lang yung may alam ng secret yun.
Totoo. Grabe yung loyalty ko dito sa taong to. Hindi niya alam what loyalty means.
Yes.
Up until he feels this emotion. of desperation. He's so lucky to have me.
He'll be the luckiest guy in the world.
I know, he already is. Woo! Okay, continue.
Ayun. Ako, yun nga, siguro din, kasi ako na-experience ko na rin yung feeling na may nag-peter out sa akin, may nag-ghost and may nag-flake out. Nagigets ko na ay, ang sakit pala.
Oo.
Na walang explanation. So, I feel, nagigets ko yung point, ang hirap na it's an awkward conversation. It's an awkward conversation. And it's also a difficult conversation to have sa isang taong hindi mo you want to spend the rest of your life with, but someone that you're looking forward to see. Siguro it's, you just have to like,
At
have
saka,
that conversation.
Kaya nga, pero kasi gets ko din naman na parang siguro for some people, like maybe you, na it's not that big of a deal to even have a conversation like in this scale, 'di ba? Na parang pwede namang relax lang eh, 'di ba? Lalo na ngayon sa mga Pilipino, 'di ba? Walang ganyan. Meron pa akong isang naalalang bigla na lang siyang nawala. And we were vibing so hard. He's in Manila, pero a fam-ish or something.
Okay.
Tapos, we were hitting it off like sa chat, like
Yeah.
the way that he chats too, parang super like may may connection ganyan. So gusto ko siya, like parang gusto ko yung energy niya sa chat. So parang feeling ko okay to. Eh sumakto na parang magkakaroon siya ng trip to I think KL or something in Malaysia. But then he just vanished into thin air. Like
Hindi ka na niya binalikan
Oo,
or anything.
like parang as in alam mo yung I guess we were in the
Kinalimutan
Oh,
ka
I
niya.
guess we were in the middle of something or what, but then he just, poof, wala.
Alam mo, ang sakit nung ganyan.
Oo.
Yung parang
Buti na lang
binitin
hindi-
mo ko.
Oo, buti naman, hindi din naman ako super invested. Like,
Right.
a few days pa lang. Siguro maybe a week pa lang or 2 weeks. But like, I was like, oh, I'm willing to put effort into this guy kasi gusto ko nga yung energy niya.
Yeah, yeah.
Tapos biglang, ay, wala na. So, hindi ko rin gets, pero I'm sure they have their reasons. Like, ako kasi, right now, I'm in the, ano ba, parang feeling ko na nasanay na rin ako with my experiences and everything na pag ayaw na,
Ayaw na.
wala na, di na talaga. So, okay lang. Pero like, naloka ako na, ganun lang yun. So, kaya, ito yung frustrating din talaga. Parang, you really don't know if it's turning into something or not until it's already turned into something.
Yeah.
Parang ganun.
Aminado naman ako, yung standards ko dati na kailangan matangkad, kailangan ganito, kailangan ganito, binabaan ko na. Kailangan na ng tao.
Hindi si Minnie Dapu.
Hindi, charis lang. Hindi lao lang. But like, alam mo yun, hindi na siya yung
Kaya
parang
magsalita,
kailangan,
ganun.
oo, hindi na siya yung kailangan 6 figures. Hindi,
Okay.
hindi na ganon.
Oo,
Yung parang, ang sa akin,
mas realistic na
oo,
siya.
na parang, may trabaho.
Oo.
If it's a man, they have to respect their mom. If not,
Yeah.
no. At alam mo yun, at saka yung parang, hindi ko naman din na-expect na every night magde-date.
Oo
Alam mo
naman.
yun, pare-pares
Ano ba yun?
naman tayong busy. Sa akin na naman, kahit once a month, okay na ako doon. O kaya kung hindi talaga kayo ng once a month, mag-keep
Once
lang
a
tayo.
quarter.
Oo. Alam mo yun, hindi
Hindi na siya over the top na parang may checkbox ka na kailangan
Yeah.
ito ka. Exactly.
Oo.
Gets
Diba?
naman.
Diba? Tsaka sa akin, unrealistic na yung kunyari, kailangan yung boyfriend ko CEO. Tapos,
Oh.
kasi yung iba, di ba yung Americans, ganun sila, they have to be
ganon.
tall, dark, handsome, 6 figures, with a big house, and a big dick, and a big, alam mo yun, alam mo yun, parang, number one, hindi lahat ng tao
Who the
kaya.
fucking American says that?
Kasi sasend ko sa yung
Sa
video.
TikTok?
Oo.
Oh gosh.
Parang
okay.
sa akin, kung maghahanap ako ng taong may 6 feet tall with 6-pack abs at saka with
6
earning
figures.
6 figures, wala akong mahanap dito dahil sila ay either
Demonyo
matatanda, demonyo, may asawa na, may jowa, at hindi ako yung type.
Oh.
'Di ba? So parang
Tanggapin mo na, Pat.
tatanggapin ko na. Tanggap ko naman, bash. Tanggap ko, Poy, na ganito na.
Ma, could never. Ay, okay.
Ikaw ba, ano ang mga nasa, kasi nasabi mo kanina, 'di ba, yung yung standards mo ay masyado bang mataas? So, ano ba yung standards mo para malaman
Oh, sige.
natin?
Okay. Ayusin nyo, ah. Nag-audition pala yung mga lalaki.
BBB!
Malay natin. Sorry.
Sa true.
Fuck. I think it would be nice na the person, I hope the guy, is a little bit, but not too smart than me. I mean, huwag yung arrogant na smart na
Yeah.
parang know it all, ganun. Pero gusto ko yung natututo ako sa kanya at natututo rin siya sa akin.
Yes.
Yung may ganun, hindi naman equality, pero like, we learn talaga from each
Yeah.
other. And then, yeah, and ito naman talaga, sobrang basic, pero yung humor talaga, sobrang important talaga.
Yes, akin din. Important
Never
ang humor.
nawala yun eh.
Mm-mm.
Yung pera, we can build the money to get, wow, but
Yeah.
I hope so.
Tsaka basta may trabaho.
Oo, may work, may property, may loves animal. Kaya mo ba niya?
Naglalaro ng farm bill. may property, tapos mag-away mo ng, babe, anong ginagawa mo? Nag-farm bill?
Oh my God!
Ang standard ko ay siya.
Tapos di mo alam, kasal na pala siya, no?
Grabe.
Hindi ko alam. Ayun po, sana po wala din po siyang asawa, never been engaged.
Sis, paano pag kunyari,
Oo.
na-engage na siya, pero hindi naman natuloy yung kasal?
Sis, nangyari na, di ba? Bumalik.
Ayaw nga pala kaya. Nawala na siya sa
Oh,
buhay.
di ba? Wala na nga
Oo.
siya. Irrelevant na siya. Girl, hindi, okay lang naman siguro, pero siguraduhin nating wala na tayong babalikan.
Napuksa na ang ano.
Oo, wag yung may papabalik-balik pa, gano'n.
Oo.
Yon, tapos, ano pa ba? Who, is, on a serious note, shares this, pwede namang better yung values niya, baka
Yeah.
average lang pala yung values ko, pero sana mag-align kami doon. Ito namang standards na to, mawawala to pagka, alam mo yung na-connect ka sa isang tao,
Yeah.
regardless kung ano itsura nila, saan sila galing,
Right.
or what. When you connect, you connect. And usually, ganun yung nangyayari sa akin na parang sobrang unexpected. Like, you'll never know. It's a Forrest Gump kind of chocolate
Yeah,
sa akin
yeah,
na
yeah.
parang, ay, oh my God, ito na siya, ganun.
Mm-mm.
Hindi because may standards ako, closed-minded ako na parang, kailangan ito lang or wag na lang. Kasi at this point, at my age, kailangan na nating lumaban.
sabi ni Mother Nature, let's go!
Pati yung nanay ko, binubugaw na ako, makakita lang ng pogi, girl. Then sabi niya na, oo, girl. Kasi sabi ko, mami, baka may asawa na yun. Ganon kami ngayon. Tag team kami.
Tag team. Hindi lang ikaw ang nagdadasal. Dalawa na kayo.
After everything has been said and done and fantasized, where do we go from here?
Kasalanan mo to. Hindi. I mean, on a serious note, I think the thing about the cesspool of this of our dating lives is that siguro hindi mo lang talaga pa nahahanap or hindi pa lang namin talaga nahanap yung taong nagbibigay sa amin ng kilig or nahanap na namin kaso yun nga lang merong may communication issues. Depende on how you look at it. But like ako, yun sana yung ma-meet namin maging ma-reciprocate yung energy na binibigay. Pogi, may kaya. Nagpa-farm bill. Hindi.
May pupuntahan
May
yung buhay.
May pupuntahan yung buhay, oo.
So,
Basta,
call to action na to.
call to action na to. Pag hindi pa kayo pumunta, sasabog yung bill mo. Yun talaga yun eh.
Okay.
But yeah, again, kidding aside, siguro kailangan lang, I just need to put myself out there more.
Yes.
At puksain ang mga buwisit sa buhay. So, yun lang. Ikaw ba, Gian?
Ako, sana I gain my strength back into the dating scene again and try it. Alam mo yun?
Right.
At sana rin, pinagdadasal ko rin na kung sino mang may gusto sa akin, magkarakas ng loob na sabihin na lang.
Oo nga.
Kung meron man. Hindi ko naman din alam eh. So, I don't know. Like, I need something in my life to make me excited again.
Right.
And lalaki yun. Tutuhanin na natin.
Oo.
I don't have any high hopes for this.
Right.
Gusto ko na lang i-let go. Sabi nga sa akin ni Bien, mag-give up ka lang. Para malay mo sa pag-give up mo, dun pumasok ang something. Ganun. Ayun.
Ayun. So, this has been Pat.
And this has been Gian.
Bye!
Bye!